Today is third day, and the date is DEC 25, 2022. Oh, today is Christmas Day, and happy Christmas to everyone to watch my video. Today's topic is about a fox in a dishwasher. Is it is stuck in a dishwasher. This news is from London. A man goes to his kitchen. He wants to change the dishwasher. He opens it. There is a fox inside. The man is a vet. He can see that the fox is young. He takes a sweeping brush and makes the fox leave the rounds to the garden. The vet later sees the fox with his mother. Difficult words. Vet, an animal doctor. Sweeping brush, a long tool with a brush at the end. You use this to clean the floor. Level 2 is more difficult than level 1. A man in London was getting on with his household jobs when he went to change the dishwasher. Apart from plates and spoons, there was a fox in there. The landlord is a vet, so he could tell that the fox was just a few months old. He was very scared. He removes the dishwasher's bottom trolley and used a sweeping brush to make the fox leave. The fox ran to the garden, and the vet later thought it was its mother. Difficult words. Trolley, a mantle, basket on wheels, sweeping brush, a brush on a stick, which people use to brush away dirt on the floor. There are the level 3, but it's too difficult for me. So today I just learned level 1 and level 2. The little fox is so lucky. It met a vet, and he didn't hurt it. So it came together with his mother. I recorded my daily English learning. I want to say my progress in my daily learning. I hope everyone encourage me and help me. Thank you. Thank you very much to watch my video. See you tomorrow. Bye.